Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It was a cold one last night. Got to go run to town and go to the doctor, and then we'll be back for farm work. Well, I'm out here measuring the fence line to see how many posts I need, and I got a stack of the big ones over there, and then I also have the smaller ones over here, which we'll be using both. I need to get a few more. And hopefully this weekend we can start on putting the fence up, or at least sink the wooden post in, the perimeter fence. Right there is a big gap where the dogs can get out, and the livestock could run away if it wanted to, right out that big hole. So hopefully we'll get that all put together. Okay, these guys tell me they're hungry. They're always hungry. Penelope's always hungry, huh, Penelope? No, don't bite me. Be nice. I have no eggs for you right now. Maybe later, ready to get the mice. She thinks she is. She hasn't caught any yet. I know. Alright, these guys are hungry. Harold, hang on. Yeah, I know. You're always hungry. Yeah, you're a good pig. Okay, everybody's got their food. Their pigs got the alfalfa and the grain, and the birds. They've been fed. I got 8 eggs today, but I just broke one when I dropped one on top of the other. That's not good. So Harold gets an egg. Harold, get an egg. The baby almost got it from you. Some happy pigs. Yeah, more happy pigs. You need a piglet, let me know. I need to get rid of these ones out here. Sure is pretty out here, but it is windy and it's very cold. Alright, I head back to the house and warm up. Hopefully get some other stuff done out here. But it is cold. Well, the goats got a new temporary home. The roof is need to be cut down, taking up a lot of space, and I'm thinking I'll jump out. And it looks like I have to go get them some hay. Me and Sally going down to the barn. We'll get some treats to the pigs. Okay, I'm gonna try to divide this up with the pigs out here and the pigs in there. See, Penelope really likes eggs. Alright, little guys. Oh, pig in the head with it. Okay. Okay, they're really enjoying that. Gave them some fruit. Came out of cans. It was donated. A little guy eating an egg. There's Sally out there chasing the mice again. Alright, piggies. Well, Harold's wearing pie cherries on his head. She's alright. She's wearing pie cherries on her head too. Yep, Harold loves his eggs. Sally's staring down a mouse apparently. So I called her. She's not moving. Where's it at? I don't know. There's Sally cleaning up the slop bucket, the cherry juice off there. Alright, the pigs got a treat. They're happy. This will be the end of the video for me today. I have to go pick up my wife from work since I dropped her off after the doctor appointment. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.